friends, I have a terrific recipe for you today. It's my roasted cabbage steaks, and oh my God, is this a delicious side dish or main dish? I will have all of your ingredients listed below. So after washing my cabbage, I am now pulling off all of the dark green leaves or any damaged leaves that I see. And so the first thing you want to do is start to cut slices. They should be about an inch and a half in thickness. And as you can see, this can be a little tough to cut, especially since you don't have a leveled edge. So just be very careful when you're cutting these. And as it gets a little tougher to cut, you can just start it and then just pound on the knife. But just be careful not to cut yourself. Okay, so now that I've cut up all of the cabbage, I just wanted to show you what they look like. And what I'm going to do next is I'm taking all of my seasoning blend and I'm blending it all together in one bowl. Next, you want to take some extra virgin olive oil and you want to put that all over your cabbage and rub it in. And then you can also put in your minced garlic paste and rub that in as well. And then top it with all of that wonderful seasoning. Now, you didn't see me put the minced garlic on this side. I wound up putting it just on the other side because I forgot to put it on this side. So it's no worry, whatever you want to do. This cabbage is so delicious, you guys. You have to make it. I'm telling you, this is my newfound favorite way of eating cabbage is to roast it in the oven as a cabbage steak. It is so delicious. And then, of course, I have other options if you want to. If you're vegetarian, of course, you wouldn't do this, but I also added in a little bit of chicken bouillon in there as well. And if so, you want to kind of pull back a little bit on your salt so that you don't have a whole lot of salt. You know, it's all about being healthy. Here you go. I'm putting in the minced garlic now on these steaks, and I'm going to rub that in. And then I'm going to top it with some more seasoning because you know, you guys, you eat both sides, so you season both sides. You guys, if you have not given your girl a thumbs up, please do so. So the next thing is you want to have your oven preheated to 400 degrees because they're going to go onto a cookie sheet. And you want to bake them for 15 to 20 minutes until they are nice and tender and the edges are caramelized. But guess what, you guys? Here they are. You didn't have to wait for absolutely nothing. You guys, thank you so much for watching my video. And oh my God, you have to try these cabbage steaks. They are so awesome. This is the best roasted cabbage steaks that I have ever made. Anyway, you guys, thank you and enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. Don't forget to click thumbs up and subscribe so that you can get all of my new videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.